Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. Now for us to begin, go ahead and open your Snapchat, and here on the snap tab, what you are going to do is basically just capture a picture. Now make sure that it's black. You can do it by covering the camera or just by putting the phone on top of a table or a surface, just like what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna place it here, capture this one, and then we can go ahead and open a sticker. So I'm going to click this one right here, and then we can go ahead and click this one to open our gallery. And then from this point forward, go ahead and try to select your image, an image that you want to put here. I'm gonna go ahead and assume this one right here. Now what I'm going to do from this point forward is just make this big. So I'm going to go ahead and hopefully make this fit the screen. So there you go, like that for example. And then go ahead and click the send to button right here. Now from this point forward, you can just go ahead and set this as a map or send this to a particular people. And that basically is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.